Jacqueline and her granddaughter are
Hi,
a
Steve.
fan of something.
We right here.
Hi, good, okay.
We've come today because Sakaya, she's 14 years old. We
Hi,
look
Sakaya.
Hello, Mr. Harvey.
14, very good.
We watch you every single day on TV.
Yes, ma'am.
And Sakaya, I have to tell you, she's your #1 fan. She is.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I need them that young because
That's
they
right.
grow up and they stay fans. A lot of my fans have passed. Just keeping it real, sorry. You got people 14 like you gotta love them. They're gonna be here longer. Go ahead.
She's your #1 fan, Steve. And she just would like to know, she loves it when we look at TV and you scream. She talks about it over and over and over. So with that said, she has a favor that she would like to ask you.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Harvey.
Hi, Sakaya.
I want to ask you if you can turn your screams into a ringtone so that I can hear it on my phone every day.
You think people would buy that as a ringtone?
Yes, I do.
You have your phone with you?
Yes, I do. It's right here.
Okay, come down here. Hey, Grandmama, let me hug your grandmama first.
Well. How are you?
It's all right.
Good to
This
see
really for Grandmama. That's okay. Girl, if you get us down now, I'm gonna hug him. Come on. Okay, so show me how this works.
Okay, so first I need a voicemail of you screaming.
You need a voicemail of me screaming.
Yes.
Which one you want? Uh, that's the one you want?
No. No.
Well, which one do you want?
The
Do it
one
for
where
him,
you go,
Mommy.
Are you ready?
Yes.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, now what you do?
Did you want to hear it?
Yeah, I want to hear it. Let me hear it. Ready?
Yes.
That's it. You got it, darling.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Thank you, baby.